Hello everyone, this is a oil change for a 2006 Ford Escape, the hybrid version. I will just be going over how to do each step individually and showing a no-nonsense version of this maintenance item. This was one of the main parts of the oil change that I believe to be the most annoying, was actually just removing the oil filter. It seemed just to splash down immediately, get all over the place, which was kind of annoying. Some other cars don't have this problem, but this is the form of the Ford Escape that actually has the filter insert, not the canister. I found that it was easier to just remove the filter rather than some of the other videos I saw online and some of the manufacturer recommendations, which was to unscrew that little metal piece with the Allen key to let some of the oil drip out. Although this is the 2006 Ford Escape, this is the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder non-canister style engine, so keep that in mind when you are replacing either the hybrid, which I seemed to find was different than replacing the oil and filters in other videos online, but this also applies to the other years of this same generation for the Ford Escape. The model years that this would go for would be 2001 to 2007. This also applies to some Mazda Tributes for 2000 to 2008, and the Mercury Mariner for 2004 to 2007. Based on what I was able to find online for the Ford Escape Hybrid for this year, it takes about 4.5 quarts of 5W20, so keep that in mind. When I do turn it on, it does work as intended, no issues or leaks at all. I then proceed to clean the drain pan and move some of the old oil to an empty can that I had left over, and retain the rest of the 5W20 oil that I did not use for something else. Based on the mileage of a little over 160 to 170,000 miles, this Ford Escape doesn't seem to be burning much oil at all. I got back a lot of the oil. I just want to thank everyone for watching this video, and I hope you have a nice rest of your day.